Today I'm going to talk about making sure your apiary, where your beehives are clean and maintained well. Um, this is something that we do on schedule because it's really important in maintaining the hive, so you make sure you have good clean honey. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And I'm here walking to the apiary, which I have closer to forested area on my farm. The sheep are out here too, so they're not too close to the beehive, but they have an area in the pasture. So them here, and I'm going to walk down to the apiary. One of the reasons why you should make sure the area around the apiary is clean and well maintained is because of access, and that's access for the bees as well as for you and your worker to getting in and out of the beehive safely and quickly. So it is important to make sure that the ground, you have a path to enter and leave, as well as for the bees to have a certain area for them to move and leave as well. Another is the hive should be on level ground. Now I'm walking down a hill right now to get to the area where they are, but where you have your hives, it should be level. It should not be on a hill. It should just be easy for all the access. It should also be in an area that gets some sun especially in the morning. You don't want it like an all-day sun, because then the hive could get hot. But you do want good sun in the morning for the bees, and an area that has low traffic. So like I said, my sheep are here in this area, but we have it fenced off just for the bees. So the sheep can't get in. But we're cleaning the area, and I'm going to show you that in a second as I walk down. We're cleaning the area because we also needed more foliage for them to have access to for food and water. So we are planting some more. So here is the entrance of the apiary, and you can see here that we put some trees here, and so the sheep and goats can't get in. But the guys are working here to finish cleaning, and we have easy access here on the ground, and we planted some more flowers along here for good pollination. You can see here it's open and wide, so they do get sun and as well as some shade.